Hi बच्चों, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be do the exercise 1.4 visualizing the number. Before it will be know the concept. Let us start. Visualizing the number. On number line. We know that we can represent the number on number line. Suppose it is a number line. Clear? Where all the number are present. Like it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, it is 5, it is 6, 7 and 8. Suppose it is a number line and these are the numbers which are present on the number line. Suppose we have to visualize the number 2.234. Then how we have to visualize? Visualize means we have to see the number using magnifying glass. After using the magnifying glass between two numbers. Clear? So this is called visualizing the number using magnifying glass. Let us start. Suppose we have to visualize the number 2.234. 2.234. So it is 2, it is 3. It means this number is between 2 and 3. So we can write here it is 2.234 and will be magnifying glass, will be see using magnifying glass. It means if will be see, so this will be like this after using magnifying glass. It is 2 and it is 3. Now will be write the decimal 2.0 and between 2 and 3 will be mark 9 arc. 9 equal arc will be marked here, not 10. Otherwise the distance between them will be 11. Always remember. इसका मतलब 2 और 3 के बीच में, ठीक है, कितने मार्क करने हमें 9 मार्क करने. अगर हम 10 कर लेंगे तो इनके बीच की डिस्टेंस 11 हो जाएगी. तो ये चीज हमेशा कीप इन माइंड. 2 और 3 के बीच में जो है हम 9 मार्क करेंगे और 9 इक्वल मार्क करेंगे. इट मीन्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 एंड 9. इसको थोड़ा सा वो कर लो ताकि इक्वल में आ जाए. क्लियर? अब काउंट कर लो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 एंड 10. इट मीन्स इट इज 3.0, इट इज 2.0. अगर ये 2.0 है तो ये क्या होगा 2.1 2.2 2.3 2.4 2.5 2.6 2.7 2.8 2.9. Now see, it is 2.2. First digit first will be C. 2.2. So 2.2 is here. It is 2.2. Clear? It is 2.2. First will be C, first digit after point 2.2. So it is the first number and second number will be 2.3. Again using magnifying glass will be C. This distance. Clear? After using magnifying glass, this will be like this. It means it is 2.2. Again we'll be write 10 in right side, and it will be 2.30 and draw a number line. अब इसके बीच यानी इसके बीच में हम एक नंबर लाइन ड्रा करेंगे. ठीक है, इट इज 2.20, 2.30. अब इसके बीच में भी हम कितने पार्ट करेंगे? 9 पार्ट करेंगे. इट मींस 9 इक्वल पार्ट, जैसे हमने यहां पे किया था 9 इक्वल पार्ट. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. बहुत ज्यादा हो जा रहा है, तो इसको हम थोड़ा सा छोटा कर लेते हैं. ये यहां पे लेते हैं. क्लियर? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 पार्ट करेंगे तो हमारा 10 हो जाएगा. इसका मतलब ये कितना था? 2.30. इट इज 2.20, 2.30. सो वी नो दैट इट इज 2.20. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? पहला पार्ट 2.21, दूसरा 2.22, तीसरा 2.23, 2.24, 2.25. हम ऐसे ऊपर नीचे लिख दे रहे हैं समझने के लिए. 2.26, 2.27, 2.28, 2.29. अब यहाँ पे देखो दूसरा डिजिट कितना था? 2.23 था, है ना? तो अब यहाँ पे देखो 2.23 कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे आ रहा है. क्लियर? इसका मतलब ये भी हमारा यहाँ पे शो रहा है 2.23. इसका मतलब ये डिजिट अब हम लेंगे और ये डिजिट लेंगे. इसके बीच में हमें कितना शो करना? 4 करना. अब इसको यानी इसके और इसके बीच को फिर हम क्या करेंगे? मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास का यूज करके इसको बड़ा करेंगे. इट मींस, और इसको नंबर लाइन पे इस तरह बना देंगे. ठीक है, इसका मतलब ये कितना है? 2.23 था. एक जीरो फिर यहाँ पे लगा दूं, और यहाँ पे 2.24 यहाँ जीरो लगा दो. अब इसके बीच में भी फिर 9 पार्ट. इट मीन्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. कर लिया. अब यहाँ पे हमें कितना शो करना? 4 शो करना. इसका मतलब ये कितना था? 230. यानी हमेशा जब भी इसको हम लिखेंगे तो एक जीरो आगे लगाएंगे. तो 2.230 के बाद क्या आएगा? 2.231 आएगा, 2.232 आएगा, 2.23, ये 3 आएगा यहाँ पे, और यहाँ पे 2.234. ठीक है ना? और यही नंबर हमें क्या करना था? नंबर लाइन पे शो करना था. यानी यही जो नंबर हमारा रिप्रेजेंट हो गया नंबर लाइन पे. क्लियर? तो इसी मेथड का यूज करके हम इस नंबर को नंबर लाइन पे विजुलाइज कर सकते हैं. क्लियर है ना? तो इसको खूब ध्यान से सेकेंडरी मेमोरी में स्टोरेज करो और इसी तरीके से करेंगे. सो लेट अस टेक द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी बुक्स. Exercise 1.4. Let us see. Question number first. Visualize exercise 1.4. Question number first. Visualize 3.765 on number line. Clear? So see, we know that it is a number line. It is 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. Clear? And you have to visualize this number. So we see it is greater than 3. It means 3 is here and 4 is here. This number is between 3 and 4. So will we use magnifying glass and see 3 and 4. So it will be like this. after seeing, it will be 3.0. After writing 3, we will use point and 0, and it will be 4.0. Now will be divided this length in 9 equal parts. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Will be divide this distance in 9 equal parts, so it is 3.0. So it will be 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 and so on. Now after 3, where is 3.7? It means 3.7 is here. Clear? Note it. It means 3.7 and 3.8 will be taken. And again we will be see using magnifying glass. Clear? This distance will be see using magnifying glass. And again will be draw a number line between them. Clear? It means it is 3.7. It means 3.7 here. So it is 3.7. After this digit will be write 10, and after this digit will be write 10. Clear? Again we have to show here. Say after 7 it is 6. So again distribute this length into 9 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now it is 9. 3.70. So what will be it? 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79. Now we see here it is 3.76. Where is 6? Will we see 3.71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. It means here. Clear? Now again we will be see this distance using magnifying glass. So it will be like this. This distance will be like this, and we will be use number line. It is 3.76. Again we will be right at the place of, because 3.76 and we will be right here 0, and here it is 3.77, 3.770. Now again we will be divide this distance into 9 equal parts. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The distance is larger, so we can write it smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 3.770. Clear? Now it is 3.760. So what is it? What it is? 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, 3.767, 3.768, 3.769. We see it is 3.765. Where it is 3.765. So it is our number. Clear? Using this method we can represent any number on the number line. which is decimal. Clear? So next question is visualize, and this question you have to do. Question is visualize 4.26. It is bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. We know that this number is non-terminating but repeating. So we can write it 4.26 is equal to, it is bar, so 4.2626 and 2, and it's saying that it's repeating, 2626 is repeating up to 4 decimal place, so we'll be remove it. It is 1 2 3 4, it is 4 decimal places. So you have to represent on number line by this process. Clear? So let us see. First, we know that it is 4.2626. Will be draw a number line. It is 4.0. It is 5. Clear? Because it is greater than 4 and less than 5. So this number will lie between 4 and 5. So we can divide this part, this length into 9 equal parts. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It is 4.2. So it is 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4 and so on. You can write here, but we saw here it is 4.2. So 4.2 is here and 4.3 is here. Now using magnifying glass you can see. So this distance will be like this. 4.2, it is 4.2, and after 2 you have to write 10. Clear? And it is 4.30. It means we can represent 4.2. So again this length will be divided into 9 equal parts. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The distance is larger, so you can write here smaller distance. It is like this. It is 4.30. So it is 4.20 and you have to represent 4.26. So 4.20, 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26. It means it will be here 4.26 and it will be 4.27. Clear? So again we see this distance using magnifying glass. So it will be again like this. It is 4.260 we can write, and it will be 4.270. Again this distance will be divided into 9 equal parts. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 9th. Now see, it is 4.262. So it is 4.260. It means 4.261. It is 4.262. It is 4.263. And it is 4.262. So this distance and this distance again will be seen using magnifying glass. It means it will be like this. It is 4.62, 2620, and this distance will be divided in 9 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and it is 4.2630. So you have to show after 2 it is 6. So it is 4.2620, 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.2626. So our number is on the number line at this place. Clear? It is the point where this number will be present. So we can visualize this number on the number line like this process. Clear? So you can visualize any number on the number line. Clear? Today I will give you some example you have to do. Visualize. It is your homework. Number on number line. Question number first, 4.2723. Second question, 6.243. And third question, 1.7624. And fourth question is 7.325. You have to do this question. Clear? Now one chapter is completed. Now, thanks, Vivita.